Hey Dylan, so I think we're getting our lines of communications crossed here. So you did the assignment that was due today by 1 o'clock correctly. So that doc is done, signed, marked, sealed, done. Okay. The problem that I'm noticing, and I can do it, it's just I want you to be able to do it so that I know you're able to follow directions. So I created what you see on the screen. I created this folder here for everybody. You guys created 1 and 2. I created 3. Now, when I click on that, this comes up. This is not what I want to see. What I want to see, if you look at when I go into Dylan V's and I click on 3, the same doc that you did on Google Classroom, all you wanted to do was organize it so it's in this folder. So the way to do that is you have to go to your classroom doc where you originally were. So if you go to classroom, and this is going to take a second. If you go to classroom and you go to the assignment that was due today, which is assignment number 3, and I go on your doc here, all I need you to do is next to this star, this folder appears. Click on that folder, and that's where you go back to My Drive and you look for the English, Levinson English 9, period 3 folder. And you're going to put it in that folder. On mine, I have all of yours saved in what I call the virtual notebook. And so it's going to bring you back to here. And there you are. This is the one you're looking for. So that when you open it, and then you open Unit 3, it's not going to say this folder is empty because you're going to have moved it there. Okay? And again, I can do it very easily, but I want you to be able to do that and follow directions. Hope this tutorial helped.